And Cilna says, does a managing agent still need to have an FFC certificate to manage a complex finances or complexes finances? Nick?
Perfect. So the short answer is yes. Okay, absolutely. So in terms of the new Property Practitioners Act that's just come out, obviously one of the things that we're dealing with at the moment is the definitions and how the act is applied. But on this particular point, I think the answer is quite clear. If you look to the definitions of a property practitioner, which is set out in the very start of the act, there is a provision there in terms of Section C of that definition, which includes any person who for remuneration manages a property on behalf of another. So in respect to this particular question, if you are managing the complex finances on behalf of the body corporate in the circumstances, you are going to fall under the definition of a property practitioner. And obviously, if you do fall under that particular definition, you're going to have to comply with the provisions of the Act, and specifically that Section 47 of the Act. You need to be applying for your FCC. You need to have your FCC, up to date in order to perform the functions of a property practitioner. So that's the long answer. In short, yes, absolutely. You got to have that FCC in place.
Yeah, no, totally agree. What's actually interesting about this question, just for the sake of like accountants and bookkeepers and stuff like that, what's interesting is a property practitioner that manages in terms of the act versus like an accountant that manages purely financial capturing and sending out a statement, but not necessarily receiving payments, the payments going to the body corporate. So a managing agent, or always, and by virtue of the job that a managing agent normally does, they have to be registered. But if you're actually an accountant and you're calling yourself a managing agent, or it's only like an accounting function, but there's somebody else that still actually manages the property, there might be a different answer, but that's unnecessarily complex for today.
Sure, I agree.